Hey everyone, Dan Rubin, HRV Homes. Welcome to the final reveal of our Southie Triple project. For the floors, we went with a 4¼ inch white oak, Bona stain birch. Really kind of brings out a little bit of natural, a little bit of modern feel to the space. We installed some really nice modern steel railings, painted them black, as well as kept a beautiful brick accent wall. For our fireplaces, we went with a beautiful porcelanosa tile. In the kitchens, we went with a white inset shaker style for the perimeter, and the island we went with a really nice navy. The bathrooms are one of my favorite features of the units. In the master, we went with a beautiful herringbone pattern from the floor all the way up the back, and all of our Hansgrohe fixtures in chrome really make the bathrooms pop.